what Iyore talk. Iyore former salt and water ministry member talk. Share this video.
Market. They say your juju don't expire. You know, say that year where they use people problem till they promote your page. All those people where life not good for that year, and I make them. They call you. Many of their life don't good for them now. See one of them for Bordeaux, France. See her life don't good for her now. They don't give her house. They don't give her 10 years document. I call her and say, how far now? Well, on a pastor, you know they drink salt and water, they pray. They. Now he tell me say what concern and concern Iyore. Say he say Iyore one of Paris, you don't expire. Iyore one of Paris, I'm market, you don't expire.
Now go Iyore, Okonomure. That's going to be fedime. Eri ma konje yawa mi yen yo do le to wa fu egbe. Wa o si o wa to wow, so why is it?
Now beauty now confuse you before. Now think say na better person. If now they see all those people now think say they be better person. They not better people. They can't suck money. They don't come pity for anybody.
Yeah, first.
Iyore dawe kinudo. Iye dawe kinudo. Emeba we ye na agwe we ye ma meti mi topoko dawe kinudo. Iyore dawe kinudo. Emeba si we ya lese we ayo. Yari beni yane da working udo Iyore no wow no he netwen da working udo ije da working udo atitiwu owoye twen da working udo ije da working udo Iyore no yo boy amu atiti ona yo boy ahu atiti kia da working udo hey isagwe Iyore umeye rinu if you boy wonu ri ekwerita bai ekwerita bai nu gbeje na ni ma ya gboa nda umuda no gbabe ewe ba illiterate no wa we era gbeke ide when you illiterate iki ati gbera we we ri ano no ye begwe akwa bi France emi ya fe nu ye keko ya se gbe jani yesige ninu impersonate you are impersonating jani yesige. You want to be as Indian Yesige, but Indian Yesige Tori. Indian Yesige I was saying no money. Ya gbon waka or say they don't ye den now. Indian Yesige ga gbon waka e do get den e do use them away. You don't know the history of Indian Yesige. You are just capitalizing on it. Why mukpa de agbone? Listen now. Waka. We made the gbe mi wo mo bidi. A bidding you very young when they baby. Anything you do, ugu egwa mago egwa ugbe mo pa ni ara gbo e Iyore tu we here do your wagmo ese nu me ha eso esi vabo eso balo ese na ya gbo kan e u me e na we ni le ma do tama wewe o tale me ha do pe video ngwe ya to bu were zigo YouTube ya gbo episan kwa. I want to expose you to the world. The money you collected from Edo people that you want to use it to go and open Indian Yesige Church in Benin. We know your bar, Umari Wunire, Ige Okba, Noga Ame Kansa, Noga Eme Bawe, the Frankfurt, no do later woo. Una donate go ne wele gani awo. He don't tell me wele don't woo because the cancer I never know moe. Oma amo ene on your phone. Ariawe gino una yenye egeni asi we bolua unwe geno gati we mu me ni geni ye. Where is that money? The videos I'm going to bring it out one after the other. Eko bete no pe we wo na eko bete no ka ti wo no bane eko bete no ka ka ma we ga gan no ma bi ohun e de ri e do no ya apo bo lele oya apo bo lele ekurita go bitawe de ni ekurita ya te bo no wu moto de go ya tago de ti Iyore ni awon agbon ni hin Iyore tu we a o. Let's listen to Iyore kia. But before then, okay, we'll listen to this our beautiful and Ghana my wife. Let's listen to her.
Matter between you and Iyore, wait, this, aka Papa Nora. Now you get this message. You see this matter between you and Iyore, wait, this social media. So, my brother, you supposed to know, say, a day like this will come. Yes. A day like this will come. You supposed to know. And your body still tell you, say, a day like this will come. When she go come and come tell the whole world, say, now so she do help for you. I'm telling you the truth. If not, I don't see wetin happen between you and Iyore, where Iyore go come out to say money where she give you, may you can't give her back. Not be say you use for column o, say I beg o, I dey need of money o, can't give me, I need them, I beg. You not call her. Now Iyore use her hand, call you, give you money. Say take, I dash you. Iyore not do that thing with her own mind. That is the truth. If Iyore do that thing with her own mind, Iyore for not talk wetin she dey talk so. Iyore do one just to set some kind thing go for grant.
Okay.
So that it go be like say if the go enter, it go be like say you go come get opportunity to hold you.
No.
You don't know, say you yourself, you know be ordinary person. You already know, say you not be ordinary person.
Hey, why they listen to our beautiful sister? Oh, you even mana go no. What they listen to her? What started from the starting? Well, Adam Yoko now. She has a better word.
Alright. Now you get this message. You see this matter between you and Iyore with this social media. So, my brother, you supposed to know, say a day like this will come. Yes, a day like this will come. You supposed to know. And
I know, my sister. Say a day like this will come. This is why I came out to broadcast the news from the beginning. That she gave me money. Yes.
your body still tell you, say a day like this will come. When she go come and come tell the whole world, say now so she do help for you. I'm telling you the truth. If not, I don't see wetin happen between you and Iyore, where Iyore go come out to say money where she give you, may you can't give her back. Not be say you use for column o, say I beg o, I dey need of money o, can't give me, I need them, I beg. You not call her. Now Iyore use her hand, call you, give you money. Say take, I dash you.
Hello.
Hello.
Sister man. Talk by.
Oh.
Il est la vidéo. Il est la vidéo. Where? Okay. Okay. Person.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. The signal is already clear in the wall. Now, Nana go more one ebo na gbeni we me mari ni that verse we madam wa ma verse we legbo we ya verse ko better no book in ebo you see ma we see
Iyore not do that thing with her own mind. That is the truth. If Iyore do that thing with her own mind, Iyore for not talk what she dey talk so.
exactly bam madam I go gbogbo so u ka talk ba a signal in my clear say we nu aka mare na deti mo yo go maka we iko we wa cover day ina kwa mo gbogbo na o venu kede we ya gu we yo wa no ko we de madan eri ere bu wanyanya gba wina wa we me wina e ke me na migi me na Ekeni me na migi me na hi wa we no get e come better la life gba gboma all la life gba gboma iya console e do for another lost order for what he come boy o come mo Enogie no me swagi e to salobua e ti yere mo cho kan e me ya lode e ya yo bo gbewe u da ho ra mu jayo ma ye ki hwagmo ude Ude that wa. Hey, tiere. You want to block you up? You want to block you well. Nebo ana gbo agbo. Oversabi gbo e. Ozuo. Why come de why you gbere ebo obo we? Uwe bibio dia. Abia ko bete we ate yati. Yati ko bete no yaro yo gyan do. Eh ma. Uwa go le mi wa afia pa. The spicy go to your a constance no why am you do. Egbe man lock yan. Only me when they disgwangwall of them they go. Yet, when I say how they meet me, how? If I they meet me, I could better no come and say I talk about me again today. No, there, oh yeah, tell me another one. No, come here and I talk about where I'm more.
Really, talk about me yesterday.
Anna.
When? Which time?
And yeah, catch up with the guy here in our gear.
Iyore do one just to set some kind thing go for grant.
Exactly.
So that it go be like say if the go enter, it go be like say you go come get opportunity to hold you.
Thank you.
You don't know say you yourself you not be ordinary person.
Hey. Oh my God.
You already don't know say you not be ordinary person. Oh God.
I bet one of the put love and like for me. Why I love and like you, eh? Waga, hey. Una share now. When you not here, mommy, you're in here. No, yaki Facebook. Jennifer Collins, so I talk by her. They see you here, my darling, beautiful sister. Thank you so for the support. He buried a video where God bless you. God bless you. Oh my God. I tell mommy, you're in here. Never feel when you're going to buy years again. Where you at your still no you egbe. You will tell the truth in my way. We love you now. Ya imi atiti. Why we no ya imi atiti ye? The woman imi atiti. This is just money. Oh, where no where man where ye. But why ya imi atiti? Then wa bere uwe imi kwirita edo imi ame mani di we e kan yo popa no ye me imete we dewe iyore eri mami me aye o eri ma o kan mami me aye nu epi ma. Or see I go the bebo gwe utai we urigo me marriage and waki do ta mame well why that's a moga gugwa because any money that was given to me my marriage ite ya mahokane if you know fully where urigo me live video not gonna 800 something I'm watching and you know that my tear was is then all the time we say when my time you know that disgrace me send the proof video my wife number is on my children's page N fashion twins, yeah. I mean, Nita Moharan. You know, while a piece you were out in Mia Moharan. Marriage, Allen, you know, Allen. I don't understand it, but as on you deliberate. A marriage, Okba we con Okba, where we were con, then you're never ready to become a man. Sometimes you have to play the role of a fool to bring peace to your marriage. To bring peace to your marriage. Peace to your marriage. If we take we forget. Or do he know why your own? The day you become a man to learn all those things, then there will be peace in your house. What do you? Who we are to see as your women Iyore? Then have to get to correct on him. And here we talk where or you go to your back and and Lady Quirita will talk by Quirita stood there. This useless Iyore. What go to Tawa? I said you start for here because where to say this kind.
No.
No,
you not quit time. I not feel wrong. No, I not get that.
Not be wrong, no. Not 3:30
No.
Ama 3:15 I'll come out. Okay, 15 minutes. My people, more than the listing. Quirita stood by Iyore during the time of Atiti. A lot of people that I cannot even remember. But Oboke Masia to disgwagwa Ekobete and tell us that Ekobete was showing her breasts. Ekobete that winning me. Is it Iyore that?
You see, because they have one man what they call Gidigba.
Okay.
As Monica, you see that man name.
Gidigba.
Go say, this my thing go make Gidigba.
Ah!
Cause you observe. Because they use the man, they observe the thing.
Ìmọ̀ ògàwẹ̀ sọ́gà ògàwẹ̀ tó gbẹ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́ o. Ògàwẹ̀ tó gbẹ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́.
Meaning say wetin go sit there with una
Oh.
na say gidigba something. Obo mi o suppose dey play obo video.
Ọgbọ̀n yọ̀ ní.
Suppose dey play
Jọ̀bọ̀ ká
obo
mọ́bọ̀ gbẹ̀dẹ̀ Friday.
Ah no.
Jọ̀bọ̀ bọ́ ìmọ̀bọ̀ gbẹ̀dẹ̀.
Obo talk I say the man never gidigba. Because he say money can go dey see you for the defend am. He don observe the name, go use am observe the thing. Go say.
Una dey lis ten.
Because of the thing wey you get, maybe they give am this gidigba.
Okay o.
Ya awa shewa, ajewa.
Wàá dá mi lọ.
I make I wan go there.
Is it the right for Iyore Kia to come out and say if you know Bota is not when you know say Kurita and this person are enemy? And we are the Kurita Munyahu. Oh Munyahu.
Thank you for the
Mama, Kurita len Iyore Kia udano. Iyore Kia ide. Then ya mwe ovi gbare beri agnadoge boe. Ya izek boe. The old one mo tiyak boe. Edove Tuyenga select him in Wagata. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good afternoon from Canada. Yeah, Mama. I talk by you.
Yeah, nah.
Oh, you say you read that video.
Hello. Oh, so when more you my follower recognize.
Okay, Mama.
Enogie. You see life, now so life be. This
Okay, Mama. Okay. Please, if you love me, nobody should insult Kurita here. Please. Please, nobody have ever insulted me in a platform. That's why I really love it. I know you're a fake account, but please, let me delete this comment. Please, that woman has never allowed anybody to insult me in a platform. Ofore Kurita mabere lao iriwa ya sie me na iriwa ya sie me e Kurita mawe we saga mawe Kurita guya ha alao ego hello ye I dey hear you. Oh yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yo.
You dey life I think
Yes, I did live video, yeah.
What is the border me since few days now? You get what someone asked me before I said.
Okay.
That Iyore Kia, he borrow you that 500 euro or he dash you before I go ahead.
Okay, madam. Like I said, the one where they talk is they know they hear pidgin English or English. I don't know. So I might bring her to your level. Okay. Okay. She give me dash. She dash me the money. She give me. Oh yeah, me oh. Imatia phone oh. Imatia phone. I did call her on phone oh.
Are you mad?
Oh yeah, wa. Oh yeah, wa.
Where's your pillow?
A pillow. I go beat her later. Now 2 tests I want to do video for her today. 2 tests. Oh we here wa. Oh we here wa. Oh we here wa. Oh yeah, wow. Wagbe me Iyore comment section. Wagbe me Iyore Kia. Enogie. Yes, your boy, you are allowed to kill at ya. And I don't manipulate you in less swear. Ah, what be better not the me? Ni me a take one with Midiana. Emily Aqua with you. Emma Echo better with Midiana. Or team of grateful, do me a team of grateful with your book in the boy, say, I'll be my best, not by a say. Or by a saboma, or by a say. Anyone many got a deal. Kurita, Enogie was on Enogie Bavan. This woman stood back. Iyore Kia. Otoga Beriki, and I bear a Kurita. Owa ya totawa. Owe wani ya nati directing. but Equirita ga mikina na gbi Iyore kia. Uyere monya, uyere wiladia. Oh, we do gwa. When the TN say, if na you no block that kind of person for WhatsApp. Eko bete, we go ya name. We go out here. You block me, you not block me for this life. No, mu Iyore here. Iyore of me, where you got no kedene na akba. The day Iyore will look you again and tell you where a Monica Larima Iyore. Edere me adeba Monica boy. We men we make we free. E fast we ya. No ike we bo we have bozere. The fish fast we remain. E ya mo we. Hello.
No get one of those now.
You are talk by mama. Call sister man.
No.
Iyore.
Where we are okay. No where is okay after about. Yes. Because be bad head.
E don't ya ye ra bi you e. He say, "Wagbe me yo yi." E ri ya ye ra bi you e. E ko better puppies who are so dey. Ununuka ya tie no get one of those land in it. Also the park, a park na we o ha go gyo me no pa border so. Guy, why go so now? Go ba we ni me ka gbe, go so now. E ra bi you e bonu tie ni ya gbegbe. Ogun ogbu egbe ko bete no undun an no ya we marriage baby. A marriage microwave. A marriage in the cake agbon ye. Anyero, a musician ro, a DJ ro. A marriage no ke be a burial heavy. E o ga wa so wa wa tu ga sun wu. O ba se gba loko. Except wu wa maka gbon wa ye say. Except wu e ko bete o ma gbo kinebo ye say. O ga gbe ye say. Wana gbe nu gbado ti mo gbon ma ye say. O gbado ya mu nwe ma ya obo me. Wu wa ya hin asun wu. A to Z. A to Z. Hello. Good afternoon.
I drop my opinion. You see, when you talk of Iyore and Rita just now,
Yeah.
Maybe you see something talk and small, my brother. Because when Rita do live video this morning,
Yes.
they say he not here. When Iyore say make it bring 1,000.
No.
You not call Rita, make it wait.
Okay.
Talk
Okay.
now.
Okay.
You not call Rita, say make it bring 1,000. Iyore use and do video to show say Rita name see dead. May they go look the video where Iyore do. Iyore say anybody where he don't give him more, where he don't give money,
yes.
If they return the money, can't give him, he go take him.
And maybe na blogger go put that in. Maybe na blogger.
So Iyore and I talk with him, Max. The day when they tell you say you must return the money, now they talk. You see anybody when he don't give money, when they return the money.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You know what give again, when they return the money.
Yeah.
But when Rita they do video this morning now, if they say somebody say Iyore say make you pay the money, Iyore not call name. He only say anybody when you give money.
No, now so listen. Now maybe na blogger cut am. Maybe na blogger cut am. But meanwhile ask you question, my sister. If Iyore matter come, Rita go stand, go talk, put as a friend. Why it can't be say if Rita issue come or he get opportunity to take saga Rita?
For you to know, say he not like Rita, he just dey follow Rita because Rita join her they beat all the enemy.
God bless you.
Now he make her they do all those good face.
God bless
and
you.
Rita now go they share stand. Because of the Iyore, Rita get issue with the party. Rita get issue with I know if you call name, may not come like that.
No your call name, not just call name, just call the party team.
The name of Iyore. But today now call now Iyore they use it direct. But people they talk now say Iyore not call Rita name. All those indirect, not be where Rita be friend.
Okay.
When media one and when we presenters know.
Okay, oh. God bless you.
Now. Who give Iyore to talk say make he Obo not talk like this, Obo not talk like this. When be say if you really like Rita, when be say Monica they play Rita mama video when what did they call her? What is the sister name? Rita sister which is what they Italy.
Felicia.
Felicia. The video when Felicia said talk about Rita mama say adulterous and all those things. When Monica they plan for a platform, you already see that video. When they can't give Iyore right to talk, say why Obo not talk the first one.
Okay.
Talk now.
God bless you.
Really love Rita. Why go talk that kind?
God bless you.
Rita now no one use the face now. He dey say
No.
na enemy because they want Rita. No. Now just for the Rita to wife. You see they call her mommy Iyore.
You know why? May I tell you? You know why? Listen. Not use insulting words on Queen Rita. Wait. May I tell you? You know why? Queen Rita they call her mommy Iyore. You know why? Now respect. Age-wise, Queen Rita senior Iyore. Now age. If you say me we use age. Okay? Now be the illiterate. Now be the illiterate where Iyore be. Now be the illiterate. God bless you. Thank you. Now I can't tell them. Where?
Caller, you know why Iyore do like that? Iyore talk one word for a video. He say when people big for head, when people call the drag, I say Monica called defender. So why you know cut it on this one? Yo, that woman don't get sense.
Yeah.
I want to Iyore talk.
So now Rita for